I ordered a case for my Sony Xperia 1. I think these things cost me more than the device itself. Let's unbox this first. No much packing here to unbox. This is the case we ordered. Actually, the case is pretty good. We have the ports. We have the correct spaces for ports too. This is for fingerprint sensor, and this is for speakers, and this is for internal mic. You all know this is for charging port, and mainly for the camera. Let's clean this first. Just cleaned it with the water, so let's wipe the remaining water. Sony Xperia 1 comes with the IP68 rating, so even if there is water left, it shouldn't be a problem. This is our Sony Xperia 1. You can see the device is in good condition, so that's why I wanted to order a case for this, because whenever I want to place in the flat places, the camera module may get scratched and the lens may get damaged. That's why I ordered a case. It fits perfectly. This is the device after having the case. This is power button and our fingerprint sensor, volume rockers. Here is our camera shutter button. Will it work or not? Let's click. You can see it works very well. That's it. Let's check on the bottom. Here is the space for speaker, charging port and microphone. This one is for microphone and there is nothing else left. So you can see the camera bump is now covered. We can place it on the flat surfaces. That's why I want to buy this case, and this case costed me around 10% of the value of the device, and the tempered glass also costed me another 10% of the value of the device. Does it make sense to buy a case and tempered glass in 2025 for this old phone? Yes, because this is in great condition, I want to let it be like that. And this is very long, so there is a heavy chances in falling because it's little uncomfortable to hold. You can see reaching full screen is a difficult task. That's why I ordered full accessories for this phone, even though this is very old. Same kind of case for my Sony Xperia 5 Mark III. You can use the 5 Mark II case for 5 Mark III like I used. They both look very similar, but they are from different companies. I don't know who is manufacturing these things in India, but you can get very accurate cases and quality cases. Yes, they cost a little bit. That's the end of the video.